Today we will continue with Narayana, Narayana. It is said that one day Narad Muni went to Bhagavan Vishnu and asked him what is the importance of Santa Samagam, or in other words, what is the importance of good company. Instead of giving direct answer, Shri Vishnu requested Narad Muni to go to a particular place and see a dog which had just given birth. So off went Narad Muni. He found out that female dog who had just given birth and looked at the small doggy. He went there. The small dog or the cub, it opened its eyes. As soon as it saw Narad Muni, it just dropped dead. Narad Muni was shocked. He came back to Vaikuntha and narrated the incident to Sri Vishnu. Vishnu smiled and told him, okay, now you go to this place and find this particular cow who had just given birth. Narad Muni, now somewhat confused, but as per the direction, went to that place, found the cow who had just given birth, and the Vasru, as we call it, who had just come out. It took one glance at Narad Muni and dropped dead. Now Narad Muni was shocked to the core. So he went back to Sri Vishnu and said, what is it that you are doing? I am getting more and more papa. So Sri Vishnu smiled and said, now go to Avanti Nagri and go to the house of a rich merchant over there. Narad Muni was not ready to go because he was shocked by the two incidents which happened and thought if something like that happens again he is going to get papa. But Sri Vishnu told him to go and it was an order. So Narad Muni went with a lot of consternation and he went to the place of this rich trader and he saw the whole place was lit with lamps and people were merrymaking. Everybody was in joy and they were enjoying sweets, distributing sweets, and lamps were lighted. So he asked the reason, and the reason was after a long time, after a long wait, the wife of the trader had conceived and a child was born. Narad Muni was concerned, but as they saw Narad Muni, they invited him inside and promptly brought the child and put it on his lap. The child looked at Narad Muni. Narad Muni was agog. What happens now? And the child, in human voice, said thank you and became quiet. Narad Muni was totally nonplussed, but he blessed the child, blessed the family, and back he came to Vaikuntha. And now he wanted to know what the entire story was. Shri Vishnu smiled and told him, tell me what happened. And then Narada Muni again narrated the story. The first, the dog dropping dead, then the cow dropping dead, and the child, just born child, speaking in human voice, saying thank you. And Shri Vishnu told him, the moment they saw you, they left their yoni and went to the higher yoni, from dog to cow and cow to the child. And what had happened by mere company of yours is that they could transcend from one yoni to other, and this process was speeded up by your darshana and your company. And that is what happens when there is Santa Samagam. Santa Samagam is so powerful, so you should be always careful about the friends you choose. You cannot choose your family, but you can definitely choose your company. This is also the reason why Vladimir Lenin at one point has said, "Show me who your friends are, and I will tell you what you are." Namaskar.